Okay, first of all we can choose the rectangle in here. Okay, just like this, and we can push it up. We can make the basic meshing first. Okay, we can add more meshing in here, just like this, and push it up again. Double click, make group. Okay, now we can add the line in here, or we can just click this line and select move, tab control, press it to position. Okay, so this is about the positioning of the openings of this house. So this is the positioning. Then we can add more geometric openings over there. Okay, we can assign about the materials with using the glass like this. Okay, now we can push this position and push to this position. Okay, we can push it to the front and push it to the front again in here. Okay, and assign the gray materials and also to this position. Okay, so this is about the basic. Now we can add the support structure of this house with a rectangle and put the materials on it. Now we can add the sloping. Triple click, make group. Okay, then we can duplicate this sloping area in here on that position. Okay, we can add the roofing. We can add the roofing system in here. Triple click, make group. Okay, and then we can assign about the materials. We can assign about the ceiling, lumber ceiling. Okay, and then we can assign about the materials of this exterior. Okay, just like this, and we can also assign with this one. We can push it to behind and assign with the glazing materials over there. Okay, then we can add more railing system in here. Triple click, make group. Okay. Okay, just like this. Then we can try to activate the shadow. Okay, this is the shadow. Now we can screenshot. Okay, we can screenshot, copy, and paste on the Gemini. And I've already prepared about this prompt, so we can copy it and paste and activate the nano banana and just wait for the rendering progress with the AI nano banana of this Gemini. It takes time because it needs to calculate our prompt requests to be a fine rendering in here. Okay, I think it was great. Then we can download and Okay, it's very amazing. It's very amazing and give us inspiration about it. It's so monumental and yeah, it was great. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to join this channel subscription. You can click join on this join button below, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.